Hey, how's it going everyone? Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the Cargo Barricade from Tusk for the Polaris RZR Pro XP. All right, everyone, thanks for checking in. So if you own a RZR Pro XP and you're looking to just maximize your storage capacity in the back, but also give yourself even more tie-down attachment points, then this Cargo Barricade is an accessory that you definitely want to have. This is made from laser-cut, powder-coated steel. What I like is that not only does it allow you to get more storage capacity in the back, but it still has a nice sleek design to it. I think this thing looks awesome once you have it installed. But also you can see lots of cutouts on here, so when you do have your gear in the back, you've got multiple tie-down attachment points. And one of the best things about this is the install process. It actually just uses all the factory locations you already have, so there's no drilling, no modification required, so it mounts up super easy. If you need to take it off for whatever reason, you can take it off in just a minute or two. So awesome cargo barricade to have, again, maximizing your storage capacity, more tie-down points, and I think it looks awesome. So if that is something that you're in the market for, you definitely want to check one of these out. To grab yours, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. To find these, they are machine specific, so just enter the year, make, and model when you're picking yours up. You're going to be good to go. Orders over $75 ship free, and if you like this little spotlight, make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. That way you always stay up to date on the latest products that we have coming out for UTVs. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.